Hello guys! Here is my vlog and ngayon is nandito ako ngayon sa Tidal Cove, Miami, Florida, USA. So I just wanna show you kung yung location namin and then makita nyo kung gaano kaganda and then Lucky Me is here. So samahan nyo ako guys, stay there and watch out. So ayun. Guys, Tidal Cove. So, papasok tayo. This is the way how to get in. Tidal Cove. Dito talaga yung pasokan, yung entrance. Sobrang araw. And then, nagre-reflect na naman yung mukha ko. Oh, hi. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. I'm sorry. So, this is a gift shop from Tidal Cove. And here we go. Tidal Cove is a water park. Sobrang ganda niya. We're here last year, February last year. And then here is the situation, yung COVID, diba? Amazing. Amazing. COVID, pero yung social distancing dito is nothing. Ang ini-implement lang nila is wear yung mask safety. Ayan siya. So, today is my holiday. Magbablog tayo para naman makita ng world itong Tidal Cove kasi this is amazing. Siyempre, si La Cochera is La Cochera. So, share ko lang sa inyo. Nakapila ako guys. Mahaba yung pila.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Oh,
check the back.
Okay, good.
Okay, thank you. So, ayun guys, nakita nyo yun, diba? So much fun. So, So I wanna go somewhere else. Ayan. This is the lazy river. Ayan, so lazy talaga siya. And then kailangan yung mga tube and then which is so much fun. I wanna see from the top, from the sky. No, dito sa taas. Kasi I think dito sa taas yung best spot niya. Yan, o diba? Oh. Ang ganda niya, diba? Yes. And then guys, dito, bawat katulad ditong lazy pool, meron ditong mga nagbabantay. Lahat may bantay, kaya sobrang ganda, sobrang safe talaga. Pero syempre, kahit alam natin may nagbabantay, ayan, did you see the lady walking at the side? Ayun. So nice. And then for the someone wanna have a quiet time, so there's sa mga gusto ng tahimik. And then guys, I wanna bring you to somewhere. Okay. Tara. ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. Sobrang ganda. And then yung surfing is closed pa siya. Pero ayun siya. So nice. Yeah. This is the place kung nasaan kami ngayon. And then, ayan. Tidal Cove, Miami, Florida, USA. Sobrang ganda. The time is morning. Morning time kaya hindi pa masyadong ganun karami yung tao. But, afternoon is like this. So, explore. Meron din silang hot tub. Yun nga lang, isa lang yung hot tub dito. And then dahil dito kami naka-check-in, yung aming ticket is like this. Oh my God. Yung aming ticket, ayan. So, wala nang alisan para wala nang alisan. In and out. As long as you want. So, ayan guys. Cool. So, ayun. This is for now. And then, you can see, oh my God, mainit. Sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init. So, hanggang dito na muna guys, and then you will see yung mga susunod pa, and stay watching. At sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, huwag niyo pong kalilimutang mag-like, share, comment, and subscribe, and then pindutin nyo na rin po yung bell button